guys, it's Matt here from the Bull Call, and today we're going to take a look at Cciv and its downtrend that it's had. Alright, so let's get right into the video. But before we get into the video, guys, if you guys can just go quickly take 10 seconds out of your day, go down below, click that like and subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest posts. That would be wonderful. So let's get right back into the video. Alright, so let's pull up the 4-hour charts. As we all know, today we were down another 7%. So, you know, another rough day. I did actually remove the inverse head and shoulders lines because there's no possible way it's going to do it now. We were looking fine right where this little candle was. It looked like it was going to this little candle, I should say, this little candle, it looked like it was going to maybe break out of this downtrend and start, you know, upwards movement, but obviously with the market selling off, it did not have the strength or power to do so. So obviously what we're looking at here is a bearish downtrend. It's touching it every single way down and can't break out. Almost did, but it couldn't hold, so it fell right back down. So I think this candle was probably the most crucial one that happened on Friday. We should have seen that, you know, it did not have enough power to bust through, so that must have been a sign that it was going to go lower. But right now in the RSI, we actually are in the oversold territory, so we should see some buying, not necessarily buying, but we should see some kind of movement upwards very soon. This company, obviously, like I've been saying for weeks, this is such a crucial, week, because this week we're going to change the ticker symbol from CCIV to LCID. I think it's happening on the 23rd, which is Friday, or is it happening on the 21st or 23rd? I can't exactly remember, but it's sometime this week. So basically by next week we will definitely have LCID instead of CCIV. So it's going to be a real company instead of a SPAC now. So yeah, I mean that's pretty much it, because CCIV, we need to obviously break out of this downtrend. We want to see the next candle form and then try to bounce off this level, it can stay flat, and then once it changes to LCID, I think a lot of hedge funds will try to get back in, or try to get in. I think people are very scared of it being a SPAC, so I think hedge funds will start buying into it once it's actually a company, not just a SPAC. So we have a lot of potential for, maybe a short squeeze, maybe, just some potential upwards movement. We want to see back to 30 soon, because obviously when you open up your portfolio today, it's not a great sight if you own any SPACs or really anything right today, other than, like Nvidia, that's doing fantastic. But, everything across the board is practically doing horrible today. So, that's pretty much it. The 5-minute charts, as we could see, it's not doing great. But yeah, that's pretty much it, because we have to just wait to see how this plays out. There's no other way to see it. But obviously RSI oversold. I think that's a strong sign that this level here could be a great support area that we could see. This was a support area that I think we just broke. No, not really. I think that this bar is a very good support area. So I know I do have these massive bars. So it's like a 6% difference in this bar, but a 6% difference on a SPAC is not terrible. Obviously, like today, it's not like, wow, we have to sell it, but it's always good to watch, because. Hey guys, so I'm actually going to continue the video really quickly, because now, by the time I actually, just figured out that I was actually going to post a video, I actually saw that CCIV actually pumped up a little bit more. So now we're actually hitting this bearish downtrend again. We can take a look at the 5-minute charts. Obviously, CCIV is in the top here. We actually had some nice candlesticks going upwards. This is great news for us. Well, obviously, if you're looking short term, this is great. Long term, it's also pretty good. So obviously we want to break this bearish downtrend. Like I said, we actually hit oversold in this RSI. Actually, I was debating actually buying at about $21, but you know what? It's actually pretty good. So let's just break out of here. The RSI was looking, extremely bearish. The same thing happened right here when we jumped up, 7% when it hit that low. It hit that oversold territory. Now, obviously it rallied. So what I'm thinking here is it's going to hit this oversold for this time. And from now on, I think we're going to hit, I think this will be our new trend line. If I can actually get to the trend line, we put this thing way too far out. So if we put our trend line, I think here, I think this is much better. If we look at this, yeah, that to me looks much stronger, and you can keep bouncing off this level until, obviously it's going to take much longer for it to hit 30. But if it keeps bouncing off this level on its major lows, I think that's fantastic. But yeah, so that's what we're looking at right now. This is not strong yet because it doesn't have any more bounces on it. But if it bounces one more time on it, then this could be a support level. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this extra part of the video, guys. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.